Exactly. The formula will become 2 by pi 0 to pi fx dx. I hope it is clear to everyone. Now let's move to the value of an. Yes, Sanjay Kumar. Sanjay Kumar.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, beta. Tell me the value of an. Can you tell?
2 by pi, ma'am.
Okay, let's go in detail. We are taking fx even. Yes or no? Yes or no, Sanjay? Where are you?
Yes, ma'am.
We are taking fx even. And what is cos? Is it even or odd?
Even, ma'am.
It is also even. So even multiplied by even is even. Listen everyone. We have taken the case fx as even. Cos is also even. Both are in multiplication. When you will multiply to even, it will again be even. That means this rule. So 1 upon pi will be converted into 2 upon
2 by
pi,
pi.
0 to pi fx cos nx dx. Clear, Sanjay?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now can you tell me the value of bn? Let me help you. We are taking fx even. E stands for even. And what is sine, Sanjay? Sine is even or odd? Sanjay,
Odd,
sine
ma'am.
is, Sanjay?
Odd.
Odd. So even multiply by O stands for odd. Okay, tell me when you will multiply even and odd, the answer will be even or odd? Okay, next student, Salil, hurry up.
Odd.
Salil, odd.
Even, ma'am.
Odd.
Odd, beta.
Odd, ma'am.
देखिए यहाँ पे x square is even, x cube is odd, is it? X square even and x cube is odd. Multiply कीजिए दोनों को, basis same power add, you will get x power 5. That means even multiply by odd is odd again. That means this total value will be odd. And if minus a to a is odd, that will lead to 0. That will lead to 0. Is it clear to everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
चलिए. Now again, let me take sub case 2. If fx is odd, a naught, an, bn. Okay, let me move to Satish. Satish.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Satish, tell me if fx is odd, what will be a naught? Satish, can you tell?
Yes, ma'am. बोलना.
अगर ये
Zero.
ऑड है तो माइनस ए टू ए लिमिट क्या बन जाती है?
Zero. Zero. Zero.
Zero. That means value of a naught will be 0.
Zero.
Okay, next Sejal. Sejal, fast. Sejal, are you there? Sejal, tell me the value of an. Let me help you. We are taking fx as odd. And what is cos?
Ma'am, even function.
Even. So odd multiplied by even is
Odd.
odd. That means this complete value is odd. So minus a to a will be
0.
0. Exactly. Minus a to a will be 0. Okay, let's move fast to Shelly.
मैम मैम fn is odd and
चल हम ऐसा करते
sin
हैं, यहाँ पे डिटेल में
odd.
लिखते हैं. fx is odd, sin is also
odd
odd, and odd multiply by odd is
even.
अगर आपको चेक करना है ना तो आप ऐसे कर लिया कीजिए. odd x cube multiply by x cube, basis same power add, x power 6, this is even. Fine.
Yes, ma'am.
So odd into odd is even. What will be the value of bn?
Ma'am, 2 upon pi
2 upon pi 0
Ma'am,
to pi fx sin nx dx. Very good. Okay, now tell me one last thing to you. Chaliye. Now what I want to tell, if in the statement the limit is minus pi to plus pi, 0 से 2 pi के लिए we don't need to check. We have to solve the complete sum. I am again repeating, for 0 to 2 pi, we don't need to check even odd. We will directly find the values of a naught, a and b and substituting the values in this Fourier series. This Fourier series is same in every case. Fine. But if the interval is minus pi to plus pi, firstly check whether the function is even or odd. If the function is even, apply these rules. If the function is odd, apply these rules. That means we don't need to find a naught a and we will find only bn. Fine. Fourier series, I am repeating, this will be same, but sometimes the function is neither even nor odd. कई बार क्या होता है, function ना तो even होता है ना तो odd होता है. In that case, we will be solving with these complete limits. If function is even, this one. If function is odd, this one. If neither even nor odd, मैं यहाँ पे लिख देती हूँ. If the function is neither even nor odd, that means in that case we have to take the complete limit minus pi to plus pi. कहीं भी 2 times 0 to pi हम नहीं करेंगे.
मैम एक एग्जांपल
करने लगे हैं. We are moving to examples, बेटा. Yes, Srishti, is it clear to you?
Yes, ma'am.
Shubham Kumar Anand,
Yes, ma'am.
Siddharth,
Yes, ma'am.
यस मैम
चलिए. Let's move to our example number 1. अच्छा, पहले neither even and nor odd की example देखिए. x plus x square. Solve it. Yes, Vanshika.
Yes,
Vanshika, tell me how to check for even and odd function. Yes, Vanshika.
Yes, ma'am.
कैसे करते हैं हम चेक इवन ऑड को? सुखमनदीप कौर. सुखमनदीप कौर.
Yes, ma'am.
बेटा इवन ऑड कैसे चेक करते हैं? Replacing x with Mehtab, Bedi, unmute yourself, beta. Mehtab. Mehtab, are you speaking?
Yes, ma'am.
बेटा आपको मालूम है इवन ऑड कैसे चेक करते हैं? नहीं मालूम.
Yes, ma'am.
बताइए फिर. अभी मैंने आपको बेटा डेफिनेशंस लिखवाई थी. सौरभ शर्मा, CSC 276 रोल नंबर. विपुल 297. ये सौरभ. उज्जवल भारद्वाज. उज्जवल.
Yes, ma'am.
Ujjwal, tell me how to check.
Ma'am, your
properly.
sound isn't coming late.
Ujjwal, speak properly. Yes, Sushant.
मैम x की जगह -x रखेंगे और फिर
चलिए अब
वो
हम यहाँ पे पुट करते हैं x इक्वल टू माइनस एक्स, राइट हैंड साइड, टेल मी द राइट हैंड साइड.
माइनस एक्स प्लस
Minus
एक्स
x
एक्स स्क्वायर.
minus x whole square, is it?
Minus
यस.
Okay, then
Yes,
माइनस एक्स प्लस एक्स स्क्वायर.
now
फंक्शन चेंज हो गया तो ऑड होगा फिर.
let us take minus common. X minus x square. Now is it even or odd?
Odd.
ऑड होगा ना. Odd.
Neither
Ma'am,
even nor odd.
ma'am,
अच्छा,
neither even
Sushant,
nor
Nor odd.
before telling the answer, tell me the definitions of even odd. Odd कब होता है?
मैम जब फंक्शन चेंज हो जाए मतलब वो
Tell me in terms of these. F of minus x equal to?
माइनस ऑफ एफ एक्स.
Exactly, minus of fx. And the function fx is even when f of minus x equal to?
एफ एक्स.
Exactly. Now listen everyone. The function was x plus x square.
यस मैम.
The function was x plus x square. When you take minus common, the function has changed. Is it x plus x square? No.
No.
This is not equal to minus of fx. Am I clear?
यस.
It should be again fx. It should be again actual function. But now the function has changed. X plus x square. It was x plus x square. Now it has become x minus x square. That means this is an example of a function which is neither even nor odd because the function has changed its value. Clear to everyone? बेटा clear है सबको?
Yes, ma'am.
यस मैम.
चलिए. So this is an example of neither even nor odd function. Please write down example number 1. Expand Fourier series. Expand Fourier series of the function 1 by 4 pi minus x whole square. 1 by 4 pi minus x whole square in the interval 0 to 2 pi. In the interval 0 to 2 pi. Now in the interval 0 to 2 pi, we don't need to check anything. We have to solve the complete sum. Fine. So let us start with the value of a naught. Firstly, do write the formula 1 upon pi 0 to 2 pi fx dx. Fine. Substituting the value of fx 1 upon pi 0 to 2 pi 1 upon 4 pi minus x whole square dx. Fine. Now, either you expand a minus b whole square or you can do directly. It's up to you. Let's expand it. 1 by 4. 4 will come out since it is a constant. So, a minus b whole square. A square plus b square minus 2ab dx. Let's start with the integration. The integration of pi square. Pi square is a constant. That means pi square into x. Integration of x square. X cube upon 3. 2 pi is a constant. Integration of x will be x square upon 2. And limit is from 0 to 2 pi. This 2 and this 2 will be cancelled out. Now let's substitute the upper limit. Firstly, substitute upper limit. Instead of x, put 2 pi. Pi square will remain same, multiply by 2 pi plus 2 pi cube divided by 3, then minus pi into 2 pi square. Upper limit, before lower limit put 1 minus. Now put x equal to 0. So 0 plus 0 minus 0. It will lead to 0. And after solving it, what you will get? 2 pi square into pi. Pi cube. Again 2 cube 8 pi cube upon 3. And this will be 2 square 4. That means 4 pi square into pi cube. Fine. Now taking the LCM, what will be the LCM? 3. 3 will go over here. 3 into 2, 6 pi cube plus 8 pi cube minus 3 into 4, 12 pi cube. And after solving, you are getting 14 minus 12, 2. That means 1 upon 4 pi into 2 pi cube divided by 3. 2 and 4 will be cancelled out. 1 pi will be cancelled out. You will get pi square upon 6. Are you getting this? Is it clear to you? Yes, Vivek Kumar.
मैम
बेटा क्लियर है आपको?
यस मैम
विकी कुमार
Yes, ma'am. Clear है.
क्लियर है?
Ma'am.
चलिए, this chapter is all about integration. This chapter is all about the integration results. चलिए, let's move to next value, the value of an. Write down the formula and substituting the values. Try to solve it yourself. चलिए, firstly let's write down the formula. 1 upon pi 0 to 2 pi fx into cos nx dx. Substituting the value of fx, 1 upon 4 pi minus x whole square cos nx, take 4 out and expand a minus b whole square. A square plus b square minus 2ab multiply by cos nx dx. Fine. Okay, now Tushar Bharti.
Yes, ma'am.
Tushar, can you integrate this function?
Yes, ma'am.
Then tell me.
1 by 4 pi
1 upon 4 pi
pi square x
pi square. First function, second function. Okay, listen, since it is the first integration, I will tell you. See, first function, second function. Integration of u into v. What is the rule? Continuous integration. In the first term, u remains same, but when integration of v started in the first term itself, v1. Use alternate signs. Now leave this function. Now consider it as first and second. Derivative of this first function and integration of this function v1, v2 plus. Now leave it now again. Now differentiation of u dash, u double dash and integration of v2, v3 minus. Leave it again. Derivative of u double dash and integration of v3, v4 and so on up to till you get 0. एक एक टर्म पिछला टर्म छोड़ते जाइए and consider the latest term. Fine. So let us start. Firstly, in the first term u remains same. U का derivative second term से start होता है, but the integration of v started from the first term itself. So u remains same. Integration of v, integration of sin nx, sorry, cos nx, sin nx divided by coefficient of x, n, then minus this step. Now leave it. Now this complete is your first term and this is your second term. Let us start the derivative of first. Derivative of pi square 0, derivative of x square 2x and derivative of 2 pi x, 2 pi with negative sign, bracket close. Now integration of this term, don't do integration of cos nx again. Integration of this sin nx upon n. जब भी कभी इंटीग्रेशन करके माइनस का साइन आ रहा है तो टेक इट इनसाइड द ब्रैकेट. हर एक टर्म को आप ब्रैकेट के अंदर रखिए. सी, फर्स्ट टर्म, सेकंड टर्म, फर्स्ट टर्म, सेकंड टर्म, फर्स्ट टर्म, second term, yn square. 1n was already there. 1 after integration, it became n square. Fine. Next term. Now the sign of plus will be there. Now leave it again. Now this is your first term and this became your second term. Fine. Derivative of first term, derivative of 2x minus 2 pi, it will be only 2. And integration of minus cos, I am again repeating, don't leave this minus. Integration of minus cos will be minus sine nx upon n cube. Now derivative of 2 will be 0. That means stop it here. 0 to 2 pi. If this integration is clear to everyone, you can do any equation of Fourier series. You only need to understand how to integrate two functions. First term remains same. Integration of second, put everything in the brackets because we have to carry those terms again. Now, derivative of this first, integration of this second. Again, derivative of this first and integration of this second. Fine. Now we have to substitute the limits. Firstly, upper limit 2 pi, lower limit 0. Before substituting the limits, please note down the general results. Okay, tell me cos 0. Anyone? What is value of cos 0? 1. What is sine 0?
0.
0. Okay. This general value sine n pi, this is also 0 for every n. For every n. For every n means whether n is even or n is odd. For every n it is 0. Sine 1 pi, 2 pi, 3 pi, 4 pi, 5 pi, all are 0. For every integer n, not fractional. Please note it down. For every integral value of n. I am again repeating, sine 1 pi, 2 pi, 3 pi, 4 pi, 5 pi, all are 0. Fine. But what about cos n pi?
Minus n power n.
Minus
1 power n.
whole power n. It means what? Let me continue here. It means what? Cos 2 pi, cos 4 pi, cos 6 pi, cos 8 pi, all are equal to plus 1 because minus 1 even power will be plus 1. And what about the odd value? Cos 1 pi, cos 3 pi, cos 5 pi, all will take the value minus 1. Fine. Cos even multiple of pi equal to plus 1 and cos odd multiple of pi equal to minus 1. Okay. Okay. Now tell me, by using this, who will tell me the value of cos 2n pi?
1 मैम.
Why 1? Why not minus 1?
मैम क्योंकि अगर n
even number.
अगर नहीं मैम अगर n 1 yes मैम even होगी मैम.
2n pi will always be even.
Speak up again.
2n pi.
Because the
2n
coefficient-
always a number.
Exactly.
Because the coefficient of pi will always be even.
Whatever the value n will take, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, when that value will be multiplied by 2, it will always be even value. And cos even multiple of pi is always equal to minus 1. We will be using all these results in our complete chapter. So please note it down. The first result, cos 0, 1, sine 0, 0, sine every pi, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, integer. I am talking about integer, not fraction. Sine 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 10, 20, 30, all pi's are 0. But what about cos? Cos even pi, 2, 4, 10, 20, 30, 36, 40, all are plus 1 and odd multiples all are minus 1. Fine? Chaliye. Now let's move to our question back. Let me erase this. All the arrows also. चलिए, now our upper limit is 2 pi. Let us start. 1 upon 4 pi. ठीक है, pi square will remain same. Replace x with 2 pi. That means 2 pi square minus 2 pi multiply 2 pi. Now, what about this? Sine 2n pi divided by n. Next value. Minus, replace x with 2 pi, 2 into 2. 4 pi minus 2 pi. Now, this minus and this minus will become plus. Now, we can club the signs. And cos 2n pi upon n square. Third value, minus 2 sine 2n pi upon n cube. Upper limit, before lower limit put 1 minus, and lower limit put x equal to 0. Pi square, 0 square 0, 2x, 2 pi into 0 0, and sine 0 upon n. Fine. Again, minus into minus plus, 2 into 0, 0 minus 2 pi into cos 0 upon n square. Next term, minus 2 sine 0 upon n cube. So this is about the limits. Okay, now tell me the values. Who is going to tell? Who is going to tell? Who has unmuted? Simran. Yes, Simran.
Yes, ma'am.
Simran, see, let us start step by step. What is sine 2n pi?
Ma'am, 0.
0. Sine all pi's are 0. Whether it is even, whether it is odd, sine all pi's are 0. So 0 multiply by anything will lead to 0. Done?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Simran, tell me what is cos 2n pi?
Ma'am, 1.
1. 2 means even. So this equal to 1. बाकी को कैलकुलेट कीजिए. 4 pi minus 2 pi. 2 pi upon n square, since it is equal to 1. Done?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Simran, again tell me what is sine 2n pi?
Ma'am, 0.
0. 0 into 2 over n cube. That will be again 0.
Minus
Okay, next value. What is sine 0?
0.
0. Done?
Yes,
What is
ma'am.
cos 0?
1.
1. See,
Minus 2 pi upon n square.
साइंस को हम देखते हैं. cos 0 1 upon n square. अब साइंस की बारी. 0 minus 2 pi, minus 2 pi, and this minus also before lower limit. So minus and minus plus 2 pi upon n square. Is it true?
Yes, ma'am.
चलिए. And what about sine 0?
0.
It is also 0. Now we are left only with 2 pi over n square, 2 pi over n square. That means 4 pi upon n
4
square.
pi upon n square. Yes,
4
ma'am.
pi upon n square. That means 1.
4, 1 upon n square.
Very good. So the value of an is 1 upon n square. These questions are lengthy, no doubt, but these are very easy questions. Everything depends on the integration. Okay, Ajay Kumar Sharma, I'm taking your name again. Are you there now? After half an hour, I'm taking your name. Ajay Kumar Sharma. No? Okay, and who was 129? I'm taking the roll number of absentees. Anuj Verma. Anuj Verma. No, again not there. चलिए. Okay, शोएब अख्तर अनम्यूट कीजिए बेटा.
Yes, ma'am.
शोएब बेटा, what to do now? आगे क्या करना है हमें? ए नॉट निकाल लिया, ए एन निकाल लिया. What next?
मैम मैंने शुरू से क्लास ज्वाइन नहीं किया था, इसलिए मैंने नहीं पता.
ये बड़ी अच्छी बात है. जिसको पूछो मैंने क्लास शुरू से ज्वाइन नहीं किया. कितनी देर
नहीं मैम,
पहले?
सीरियसली मैम फोरियर सीरीज का मतलब लास्ट वाली जब मतलब ये बता रहे थे ना,
अच्छा,
तभी मैंने मतलब ये किया था.
ठीक है. स्नेहदीप कौर. मैंने बाद में टाइम जरूर देखना है किसने 80% ऑफ द अटेंडेंस ऑफ द टाइम अटेंड किया क्लास. यस नयदीप, व्हाट टू डू नेक्स्ट? BN निकालना है.
Yes, ma'am.
मैम
यस, BN निकाल लेंगे अब हम.
मैम आपकी आवाज क्लियर नहीं आ रही.
Am I audible
Ma'am,
to everyone?
Ma'am, yes, we will divide the value which is by मैम ब्रैकेट के बाहर हमारे पास 1/4 पाई है. हम उसके साथ जो अंदर वैल्यूज हमारे पास टोटल आया उसके साथ मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे और जो फाइनल वैल्यू आएगी वो हमारी होगी an.
AN we have found. What next? अच्छा,
मैम
who will tell
an के बाद हम bn निकालेंगे.
Exactly, this is what I am asking. AN, after AN, we are going to start with the value of BN. Okay, let's do fast. I am going to make changes in this itself. In BN, what we need to multiply? Sin nx. So, replacing cos nx with sin nx. The again expanding a minus b whole square and integrate. Again the same rule of integration. First function same, integration of sin nx minus cos nx upon n. Derivative will be same, integration of minus cos minus sin nx upon n square and integration of minus sin plus cos. Why plus cos? Integration of sin is minus cos, minus is already there. So that's why plus cos nx upon n cube. Let's substitute the values. Upper limit is 2 pi. So pi square plus 4 pi square, 2 pi into 2 pi, 4 pi, multiply by minus cos 2n pi upon n. Next value, this minus and this minus will become plus 2 into 2 pi, 4 pi minus 2 pi sine 2n pi upon n square, then plus 2 cos 2n pi upon n cube. Before lower limit, put negative sign and lower limit is 0. So let's
Ma'am?
start. Yes.
Ma'am, in the first part where we have written, yes, ma'am.
Yes.
4 pi square नहीं आएगा, ma'am.
4 pi square ही लिखा है मैंने.
Ma'am, again,
2 pi into 2 pi. Yes, it is 4 pi square. Good. So let's move to the lower limit. Pi square plus 0 minus 0 and minus cos 0 upon n. Then again minus minus will go to plus. Then 0 minus 2 pi sine 0 upon n square. At last 2 cos 0 upon n cube. Fine. So let's fastly move to our values. Okay, now who is going to tell me the values? Except Simran. Except Simran. Unmute yourself. Who is
Yes,
going to tell me the
ma'am.
values? Yes, Abhijit.
मैम अब 2n पाई की बात करेंगे, 0 से 2 पाई लिमिट प्रूव करते जाएंगे मैम.
Tell me cos 2n pi.
2n पाई की 1 होती है मैम, तो फिर हो
1.
जाएगी. यस
Now
मैम.
see, minus is already there. Minus
Yes, ma'am.
1 upon n. Multiply by. ये क्या बन गया?
Pi.
4 pi square. 4 pi square will be cancelled out and
Only
we are
pi
left with
square मैम.
pi square. Done. Next value.
Now-
Sin 2n pi.
0 मैम.
0 into anything will be 0. Cos
0,
2n
ma'am.
pi.
1 मैम.
1. Since it is multiplied by 2, that means this is even. That means
Yes, ma'am.
2 upon n cube. Next value.
Yes, ma'am.
Cos 0.
Cos 0 is 1
1. This
And
minus
minus
and this
sign.
minus. Plus
plus
pi
pi
square
square by 9
upon n.
and
Sin 0.
0 ma'am.
Cos 0.
1 ma'am. 2 by n cube.
Minus.
Plus, ma'am.
Minus into plus. Minus 2 upon n cube.
Sure.
Done?
Yes
The
ma'am.
terms are cancelling. That
All are
means
cancelled, ma'am.
total is 0.
0.
We are getting the value of Bn as 0.
0, ma'am.
Fine.
Yes, ma'am.
Marker. Chaliye. So let's make the Fourier series now. Now Fourier series is given by how to write down the final answer. Fourier series is given by, firstly let's write down the general formula. Fx equal to a naught by 2 plus summation an cos nx plus summation bn sin nx. Okay, tell me the value of a naught. What was a naught?
Pi square by 6.
Pi square upon 6 into 2, 12 plus
Yes, ma'am.
summation n varies from 1 to infinity. What was an? 1 upon n
1 by
square
n square.
cos nx plus summation n equal to 1 to infinity 0 multiply
0,
by
ma'am.
sin nx. Now it will lead to 0. That means the answer can be written in the form pi square upon 12 plus summation cos nx upon n square when n varies from 1 to infinity. Fine. You can further expand this result after varying n equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. How to expand? Put n equal to 1. Put n equal to 1. That means cos 1x upon 1 square. Summation means plus.
Yes,
Cos
ma'am.
2x upon 2 square.
Plus 3x upon cos.
3x upon 3 square and so on up to. So this is your final answer. That means we have expanded the given function in terms of sines and cosines. Since Bn became 0, that's why there is no term of sine over here. Is it clear to everyone?
मैम
Yes.
अगर fx खुद cos या sin का फंक्शन हो तब भी ऐसे ही करेंगे.
बिल्कुल, तब भी हम ऐसे ही करते हैं. हम करेंगे ऐसे भी. fx may be any function of x. Clear है?
Yes, ma'am.
चलिए, then let us start with our next question. Let's do one question from minus pi to plus pi. So the function is, expand the Fourier series x minus x square in the interval minus pi to plus pi. X minus x square minus pi to plus pi. Fine. So since now see the interval is minus pi to plus pi, that means we have to check the function for even odd. For that, replacing x with minus x on the left hand side, on the right hand side. So replacing x with minus x, what we get? Is it even or odd?
Neither
Odd.
even nor odd, ma'am.
Yes.
Neither even.
The function is
Neither even nor
neither even nor odd. Fine. That means we will find all the values of a naught, an, bn with the complete limits. So 1 upon pi minus pi to pi fx dx. Let's substitute the value of fx, x minus x square dx. We can do it very fast. 1 upon pi, let's start integration, x square upon 2 minus x cube upon 3 minus pi to plus pi. Substituting the limits. Firstly pi.
pi square by 2 minus pi cube by
pi square upon 2 minus pi cube upon 3. Before lower limit put 1 minus of pi square upon 2 minus of minus pi cube upon 3, and the total will become pi square by 2 minus pi cube upon 3. This minus square will be plus into minus, minus pi square upon 2 minus cube minus, again minus plus, again minus, minus. So minus pi cube upon 3, pi square by 2 will be cancelled out, and this will get twice. That means 1 upon pi minus 2 pi cube upon 3. Are you getting minus 2 pi square by 3?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
चलिए, so the value is minus 2 pi square upon 3. I hope this value is clear to everyone. Yes, Shivani? Shivani, unmute yourself.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, beta, tell me what to find next.
Now,
Pardon?
A of n.
A?
A of n.
A-N. A of n. A of n means A is a function of n. Okay, tell me the formula. 1 upon pi.
Limit
Complete
0
limit.
to
Then
f of x
fx.
cos nx.
Exactly. Cos nx dx. Okay, let's substitute the value of fx. The value is x minus x square cos nx. Shivani, is integration clear to you?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you tell?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, try.
1 upon pi
Yes, 1 upon pi inside the bracket.
x minus x square
Yes.
cos of nx
Cos, integration of cos, beta.
integration of cos nx
Tell me the value. Sin nx upon n. X value. Minus.
2x
Yes. Derivative of x minus x square. X minus x square. X का भी तो derivative होगा.
Yes, ma'am.
क्या?
1 minus 2x
Exactly. 1 minus 2x. Now integration of sin nx.
cos
Minus cos.
nx over n square.
Square. Now plus. Now listen. Derivative of 1 minus 2x.
2
Minus 2.
minus
साइंस क्यों निग्लेक्ट कर रहे हो? इंटीग्रेशन ऑफ माइनस कॉस.
minus sin x
माइनस साइन. कॉस की इंटीग्रेशन साइन होती है. सिंस वी हैव माइनस, दैट विल बी कैरी फॉरवर्ड अपॉन n cube. That's it. Since derivative of 2 will be 0 now. So stop it here, and the limit is from minus pi to plus pi. Now let me substitute the limit. Upper limit is pi. So pi minus pi square sin n pi upon n minus n minus plus 1 minus 2 pi cos n pi upon n square, and minus minus again plus 2 sin n pi upon n cube. So this is about the upper limit. Now let's substitute the lower limit. Minus sign, then minus. Minus pi minus of minus pi square multiply by minus sine of minus n pi inside the bracket. Sine of minus n pi upon n. Then next, minus minus plus 1 minus 2 into minus pi and cos of minus n pi upon n square. I am writing in detail each and everything. And minus minus again plus 2 upon n cube and sine of minus n pi. Curly bracket close, square bracket close. Yes, who is going to tell me the values? Answer the
Yes,
person.
ma'am.
Who is this?
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
नहीं सिमरन आप नहीं बताओगे. शैली आप बताइए बेटा.
Ma'am, it will be 1 minus 2 pi. Ma'am, first will be 0.
Sine n
sin
pi is 0, everything will be 0.
0.
Next value.
Ma'am 1. So 1 minus 2
Why
pi.
1? Is it
Ma'am,
cos
cos
2
is
n pi?
No, ma'am.
no.
Beta, cos 2 n pi equal to 1. It is cos n pi. What is that? N may be even, n may be
Odd.
odd. That means
Odd.
minus 1 power.
Minus 1 power n.
Is it clear?
Yes.
N may be even, n may be odd. So tell me now.
Ma'am 1 minus 2 pi
Yes,
minus 1 power n
upon.
n square.
Good. Next value.
Ma'am this will be 0.
Again 0. Let's move to this one.
Ma'am
Okay,
minus
before proceeding further, tell me what will be sign of minus n pi.
sin n pi.
Minus sin n pi. We have a rule, sine of minus theta is minus sine theta. And what is sine n pi?
Ma'am it will
0,
be
ma'am.
0. Definitely.
0,
Fine.
ma'am.
It
Yes.
means चाहे आपके पास sin n pi है or you have sin minus n pi, both are equal to 0. Minus will come out and it will ultimately lead to 0. That means this is again 0. Done?
Yes. ma'am.
Okay, Shelly, tell me this value. Firstly,
Ma'am,
tell me
plus-
cos of minus n pi.
Ma'am cos n pi
Cos में minus sign खत्म हो जाता है. And what is cos n pi?
minus 1 power n.
Exactly. Now move back. Solve it. 1
Ma'am 1 plus 2 pi
plus 2 pi. 1 plus 2 pi or
into 1 minus 1 power n
upon.
n square.
Acha, I have not written the sign here.
Ma'am it will be minus.
Yes, exactly. Plus and this outer minus. It will be minus. Okay. Then tell me the last value.
Ma'am it will be 0.
Definitely it will be 0. 0 के साथ I never see sign, whether right plus or minus. It will be okay. Okay. Now, what will be the answer? Can we solve it? Let us take it common. Minus 1 power n upon n square. Minus 1 power n upon n square. And inside the bracket we are left with 1 minus 2 pi minus 1 minus 2 pi. Fine. And 1 and minus 1 will be cancelled out. It will become minus 4 pi. That means 1 upon pi minus 1 power n upon n square into minus 4 pi. Pi and pi will be cancelled out. That means you get minus 4 minus 1 power n upon n square. Is it clear to everyone? Clear है सबको?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
चलिए, now before proceeding further, let's conduct the polls of this session. And these are very easy polls. You will be given only 1 minute. Fine. So let's move to the poll number 1. Your time has started, beta. Everyone need to participate. Do fast. Yes, 10 seconds. The function is said to be even if first condition is satisfied. Okay, poll number 2. Let's start. 30 seconds. Do fast, last 10 seconds. The function is said to be odd if f of minus x equal to minus of fx. This is the true statement. Okay, then poll number 3. How to define a periodic function? Thirty seconds. Function is said to be periodic if f of x plus t equal to fx. Number 3. The same function appears again. Okay, one last poll. X sin x is an even function or odd? Yes, last 10 seconds. So what is the confusion in this question? X sin x, x is odd, sin is odd, odd into odd is even function. That means the statement is true. Okay, let's move back to our question. Let's find the value of Bn now. Firstly, apply the formula, replacing cos nx with sin nx. Sin nx and sin nx. Again, apply u into v. Integration of sin will be minus cos. Integration of minus cos will be minus sin. And integration of minus sin will be plus cos. Minus into minus will be plus. Okay, let's substitute the upper limit firstly, which is pi. Minus minus plus. And plus minus minus. Before lower limit, put one common minus, and lower limit is minus. One minus is already out. and cos of minus n pi upon n. After that plus curly bracket close, square bracket close. Okay, who is going to tell me the values now? Who is going
Yes,
to tell me the
ma'am.
values? Yes. Okay, except leave these students, Shelly, Simran, Abhijit, anyone else? Anyone else who is going to tell me the values? No one? Only 3 students are there. Anyone else? Unmute yourself. Yes, Bharat, Gaurav, Janpreet, Prabhakar.
Yes, ma'am.
Who is this?
Gaurav, ma'am.
Gaurav, beta, can't you tell me the values?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you tell me the values?
Yes, ma'am.
Then why, matlab, I have to take the names every time?
No, ma'am.
Okay, then tell me. Minus cos n pi. Simply
Minus
tell me
one.
cos n pi. Cos n pi.
Minus 1 to the power n.
Exactly. So this minus come out. Pi minus pi square will remain same. And this is minus 1 power n. Okay, tell me next. Sin n pi.
0.
0. That means plus 0. Again cos n pi.
Minus 1 to the power n.
Minus 1 power n upon n cube. Okay, next
Yes, ma'am.
value. Cos of minus n pi.
Minus 1 to the power n.
Same. Minus will resolve.
Yes,
And what
ma'am.
will be the total value?
Minus
Plus. Minus and this minus also.
minus plus
Plus. And inside the bracket?
minus 1 to the power n.
Minus 1 power n upon n. Again,
Yes.
sign of minus n pi.
0.
0. And cos of minus n pi. Minus
Minus
1 power
power
n. That means minus 2 minus 1 power n cube. Is it minus or plus? This
Plus.
will be plus. This minus and this outer minus. Total will be
Yes, ma'am.
plus. Any doubt to anyone, you can tell me. I think this is okay. Now,
Yes.
this term and this last term will be cancelled out with positive and negative sign. And you can take minus 1 power n upon n common. Minus 1 raised to power n upon n. And inside the bracket we are left with. Take this minus inside. Minus pi plus pi square. And here minus pi plus pi square. There is a doubt in the sign. This is minus pi square. Please wait for a minute. First value, second is 0, third is this. Yes, this one. Minus and minus total plus minus pi. Now see, minus of square, this is plus, but one minus is more there. That means minus pi
Yes.
minus pi square. I have taken wrong value. Minus square will move to plus, plus into minus will be minus. That means minus pi square. And this means minus pi square
Yes,
and
ma'am.
plus pi
Cancel
square will
out.
be cancelled out. So we are left with 1 upon pi minus 1 power n upon n, and inside the bracket minus pi minus 2 pi, and pi will be
Pi
cancelled
pi
out,
cancel.
and we get
Minus of
minus 2 minus 1 power n upon n.
n.
Fine. So this is the value of Bn. Accordingly, you can make the Fourier series now. Fine. Anyone want to ask anything? We will repeat this topic again in next lecture. Any queries, beta?
मैम इंटीग्रेशन बाय पार्ट्स में थोड़ा प्रॉब्लम हो रहा है.
कहाँ से प्रॉब्लम हो रही है बताओ?
इंटीग्रेशन बाय पार्ट्स में.
अच्छा ऐसा करते हैं, आप मुझे कोई एग्जांपल दो, हम उसी की इंटीग्रेशन करते हैं.
नो मैम, प्रोसेस किस थ्रू जाना है?
Process simple, write down the formula. Integration of u v, first term same, integration of second, alternate signs लगाते जाइए, then first का derivative, second की integration, again derivative of first, integration of second, derivative of first, integration of second, and so on up to. आप प्रैक्टिस कीजिए, इन्हीं दो क्वेश्चंस का आप प्रैक्टिस कीजिए, आपको क्लियर हो जाएगा. ठीक है, पिछली टर्म्स को निग्लेक्ट करते जाइए, टेक द रीसेंट टर्म्स. रीसेंट टर्म में फर्स्ट का डेरिवेटिव करते जाओ और सेकंड की इंटीग्रेशन. फाइन,
ऐसा कब तक चलेगा?
यस,
ऐसा कब तक करना है?
जब तक जीरो नहीं बन जाता डेरिवेटिव. ठीक है, यस सतीश.
नो मैम.
सिमरन एनीथिंग?
No, ma'am.
ठीक है बेटा. So this was all about today's lecture. We'll be meeting on next Wednesday. Fine. Thank you
Yes,
beta.
ma'am.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, ma'am.
थैंक यू मैम.